learning classes. Today we are going to learn social science for class 5, that is movements of the earth. Today's our topic that we are going to cover is rotation of the earth. So we are going to start today's topic with some of the important words that you should know. The first one is rotate, to move or turn in a circle. Then we have oval, shaped like an egg. Then we have the next one, that is revolve, to go in a circle around a central point. So this important words you should know, because these words we are going to use further, that is rotate, oval, revolve. We are going to start the topic. Before starting the topic, that is the movements of the earth, we have already read about earth in our first chapter, that is Know Your Planet. So that time we were not aware about the movements of the earth. Why? Because it was believed that the earth is stationary and heavenly bodies move around it. So it was believed that other than earth, other heavenly bodies used to move and earth used to be constant or immovable. But that was not true. Later on, Nicholas Copernicus, an astronomer, he said that earth spins on its own axis and move around the sun. So this was the fact which was said by Nicholas Copernicus, very important name, you must learn it. He has told that earth moves, that means it spins on its own axis and also moves around the sun. So these two movements were told by him, and he has given the name to these two movements, that was rotation and revolution. Now today we are going to focus on the first movement of the earth, that is rotation. Rotation. The movement of the earth on its own axis is called rotation. As you can see, the earth rotates from west to east, and this is the reason we get day and night. Here we can see sun and also axis earth and occurrence of day and night. Sun, the light which falls towards the front part, or we can say the light, that is day, and the other part which is turned away from the sun, that is night. So occurrence of day and night is the result of rotation. Rotation of the earth, it causes day and night. Now we are going to see some of the following things under it. The movement of the earth on its axis is called rotation. It takes about 24 hours or 1 day to complete one rotation. It rotates from west to east. As I told you earlier also, it has one direction, that is from west to east, and the reason behind this is earth spins towards east. That is why we can say that it rotates from west to east. Now this is the reason we can see that sun rises in the east and sets in the west, that causes day and night. Then we have another picture which is again saying about day and night. So the rotation of the earth causes day and night. Due to its spherical shape, as the earth is spherical in shape, only one side earth receives light at a particular time and the other half is turned away from the sun. As you can see in the picture, the day part is getting light but the night part is not getting light. So that is why one side we are experiencing day and the other side we are experiencing night. This process, or thus this is known as the rotation of the earth, and this causes day and night. Now today we have covered the topic that was related to rotation. We have also seen occurrence of day and night, and it exactly take 24 hours 1 day to complete rotation, one single rotation. So further we are going to discuss about the next movement, that is revolution. For today, your today's homework will be, you have to fill the correct numerals, and also you have to state whether the statement is true or false, and you have to correct the false statement. So this is your today's homework. Next class we are going to focus on the next movement, that is revolution. Thank you.